Sound. Power. The Tower of Power. NDR2. Maxis Maxima. NDR2.
Captain cry on deck. We may not leave this ship alive. Gotta move fast or we won't survive. Get into the boat, get into the boat, get into the boat. Get into the boat, get into the boat, get into the boat. Down here at the boat. One day in spring, April 1912, Titanic's voyage bound straight for hell. I still remember that cold dark night. I still recall how the voices cried. Get into the boat, get into the boat, get into the boat. Get into the boat, get into the boat, get into the boat. How don't you rock the boat? Well, I know we've lost control. Is there someone to save that soul?
The Titanic, the largest, most luxurious ship to grace the seas. 55,000 horsepower, 46,000 tons, 882 feet long. The unsinkable Titanic. Today, April 10th, 1912, thousands of sightseers crowd the docks to see this amazing liner set out on its maiden voyage to New York. Bon voyage, Titanic! luxury suites from $4,300. We offer first-class menus in our restaurants from one of Europe's finest chefs and wines from the best French vineyards. Dance to top orchestras from both sides of the Atlantic. 2,200 lucky people can enjoy the comfort of an unforgettable Atlantic crossing in this unique luxury liner, the Titanic. Cruising at 22 knots, the weather is calm, the visibility good. Unaware of hazards ahead, the captain orders full speed into the night. Just before midnight, the large shadow of an iceberg passes across the bows of the Titanic. Too late. No hope. Ripped apart. The ship is lost. Lost.
September 1985. The research vessel Nord discovers the wreck of the Titanic, sitting upright on the Atlantic seabed, more than 13,000 feet below the waves. It's a quiet, peaceful place and a fitting place for the remains of this greatest of sea tragedies to rest. Forever may it remain that way, and may God bless those newfound souls. It's been 73 years since there was panic on the Titanic.